Now, Riya Chakravarti's brother Shouvik and Sushant's former house manager Samuel Miranda have been produced before court. Lawyer Satish Manishinde is representing Shouvik Chakravarti. The narcotics team will seek 4 to 6 days of custody for Shouvik and Miranda from court. At around 9:20 a.m. today, the accused were brought to Mumbai's Sion Hospital by the narcotics team for COVID test, which turned out to be negative. No drug test will be conducted as of now. This comes after the duo were arrested yesterday by the Narcotics Bureau team in the drug probe link with Sushant Singh Raj in connection to Sushant's death there. Both Shouvik and Miranda were grilled for over 9 hours before their arrest. Charges pressed against them are of peddling, procuring and consuming narcotic substances. According to the NCB, Shouvik was a facilitator not only for Sushant but also arranged narcotics for other Bollywood stars. NCB sources reveal that Shouvik confessed that he used to buy drugs at Riya's behest. Remember, the NCB raided both Shouvik and Samuel's homes on Friday morning after drug peddler Zaid Bilatra revealed their involvement in the drug controversy. So far, the Narcotics Bureau has arrested 5 alleged drug peddlers, out of which 2 have been released on bail. The agency is likely to arrest more peddlers here. Mustafa Sheikh joining us live for more. Mustafa, right now, Shouvik and Samuel Miranda, both of them are right inside the magistrate's court. What is expected to happen? Do you think they're likely to get bail or will they be taken into custody?
Well, it's likely that they will be getting custody for the NCB because see, the point which Vidya is giving us from inside that they are seeking time. So basically, the court, maybe the lawyers of the accused are seeking time to file for bail, and they are trying to understand what sections the accused, their clients, are being booked under. If we tell you that Section 28. Section 8C of NDPS Act, which is producing, manufacturing, selling, possessing of the drugs. So these are the 3 sections, 8C, 28 and 29 of NDPS Act, on which the arguments are going on currently in the court. And basically, the prosecution has said that so far they have arrested 5 people in the case. They are moving forward with the investigation, and given the course of investigation, they require custody or custodial interrogation of these accused. And also likely the mention can be about Dipesh Sawant, because he is turned witness, what we are being told by the NCB. What details he has given, that can also be discussed during the court proceedings. So the prosecution, the chief public prosecutor at this point of time is presenting the case. And what we are being told by that there is some movement of this court, that Advocate Tarak Syed, who is advocate of Zaid and Basit, he looks like has moved to Sessions Court with the bail plea, and the NCB officers have been called to the Session Court for the bail plea. This is Magistrate Court, and the bail plea has been moved at the Sessions Court by Advocate Tariq Syed, who had filed the application before Sessions Court asking for bail to be granted to Basit and Zaid. This application will be heard at 2 p.m. at Sessions Court. Bail application of Basit and Zaid to be heard at 2 p.m. That's the latest development we are getting you right at India Today, that the Magistrate Court, while hearing the remand, the 2 accused who are already in remand, their lawyer has moved Sessions Court, and Sessions Court has summoned the NCB officers at 2 p.m. It will be decided on the bail hearing whether they give some time to NCB to reply, and what happens. We'll have to wait and watch. See what all is happening here. We like to explain it to you that in NDPS cases, normally if there is no possession, the bail is very easy. It's a non-bailable thing. But given the conspiracy which the NCB is trying to make out, so Narcotics Control Bureau in itself is trying to pull off a big case which can then later become a precedent in the case of narcotics. What have they done? They have made no seizures of drugs in big amount. They have most of the accused who have been arrested were never found in the possession of drugs. Their drug test has not been done. The entire case is being made out on the electronic evidences and their confession. And let me remind you that it's only under the NDPS Act that the only agency, which is Narcotic Control Bureau, has the power that Section 24, in which if person is called for questioning gives some statement, that statement can stand in court. That is a very big premise for the NCB to make out this entire case. So we are what we are getting to see is that legally by the lawyers of the accused, this entire case is being challenged, and we'll have to wait and watch what interesting turns and development this case takes, because if the accused are granted bail, it may hamper the investigation of the NCB bank.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.